Okay, today we're going to be solving equations with the distributive property, which means they have the distributive property in them. And we always want to get rid of that distributive property first. Anytime you see the parentheses, we want to clear the parentheses first. So in this case, we'll multiply 3 times x and get 3x. 3 times positive 5 and get plus 15 equals 24. And if you look at it, we just have a two-step equation. So we want to undo the adding by subtracting 15 from both sides. And we get 3x equals 9. And since it's 3 times x, we want to divide by 3. X equals 3. Well, that was pretty easy. I could do that one. Okay, our next one is a distributive property problem. So we're going to distribute the 2. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 equals negative 16. Then we want to undo the adding and subtracting. So in this case, we're going to do minus 8 becomes plus 8 on both sides. We're doing inverse operations there. We get 2x equals negative 8. This is 2 times x, so we divide by 2, x equals negative 4. Okay, so these problems are all pretty similar, but we're going to show you just a couple little different ones. In this case, we're going to do 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8 equals negative 28. So in this case, we want to add 8 to both sides. 4x equals negative 20. Divide by 4, x equals negative 5. And now for our last example. It has a few extra things in it, but I think you can figure it out. We do negative 5 times 2x will give us negative 10x. Negative 5 times negative 3 will be plus 15 equals negative 25. We're going to subtract 15 from both sides, and we'll get negative 10x. And then on this right-hand side, it's negative 25 and negative 15 makes negative 40. I want to divide by negative 10 on both sides. X equals 4. If we put a 4 back into the original equation, yeah, that's going to work. So that's solving equations with distributive property. Not too hard to do.